The place is very comfortable. The welcome drink is typical Jogja ginger, very close to the city center, one of which is the Jogja Monument. It's also comfortable here, heart hands emoji. Good, nice, comfortable, highly recommended, good. The whole experience was just excellent. Die Unterkunft war sehr sauber. Das Personal sehr freundlich. Das Frühstück reichhaltig und frisch. Die Instandhaltung der Immobilie war schlecht. Omotiyori mochi rate hyomo, tenadashita sonayet sukadori yoga he yani nakata desu, hitsuyo naba iwago chui kudasai. Friendly staff and good service. Friendly staff and good service. Nice and helpful staff, good experience for all. Just that the key card a bit troublesome. We really enjoyed our stay here. It is a beautiful hotel, very clean and great amenities. Lots of delicious options at the breakfast buffet. The staff was always so friendly and helpful. I highly recommend this place. Always great to stay there, employers always helpful, and best breakfast in Indonesia, rooms always clean and service daily, great hotel. This is a very good hotel. It is an old hotel but very well maintained. The breakfast is excellent. The restaurant has a limited menu but everything I tried was of a good quality. The immediate vicinity is not very interesting, but Grab taxi is easy to obtain and it is not far to any part of central Jogja. The best thing about the hotel is the staff. They are very helpful. They are very polite. I have been very happy with my entire stay at the hotel. Other hotels could take a lesson from this hotel in how to provide good service. Great hotel, with helpful and friendly staff. The hotel is situated in central Jogja and is convenient for many local attractions. Excellent sized room with all essentials provided. The hotel breakfast was very tasty with a nice range of options. Breakfast excellent. Breakfast excellent. They had a great rainfall shower. Free Wi-Fi, free breakfast. Had a nice pool, didn't use it myself but looked great. My wife is from Indonesia so was able to get a discount. If you're traveling through this area make sure you stay here. Staff very polite and helpful. Within walking distance to night market and tourist street. Contains all necessary facilities. However, I booked for a king bed but instead was given 2 twin beds pushed together. Bad experience with Hotel SBA. The service was very bad. The staff are talking to each other and laugh so loud. Even when we told them the aircon was freezing cold they told us to dry the mask or scrub faster. They envy our think the customer point of view. How can the spa did not make any preparation in advance such as towel for customer to take shower in the spa. They even told the customer to take their shower at their room due to out of towel when they finish their massage. If they inform the customer in advance we would not take the package not to waste our money. We come to hotel spa for relaxing but end up the service was bad. Will not recommend to my friends. Nice place to stay every year I stay at this hotel thanks to the staff Lakes Mono Los Angeles. Very comfortable and centrally located. Helpful staff and good food in attached restaurant. The HTL captured and presented Yogya very well. From the lobby, breakfast restaurant, cleanliness, comfort and safety made you want to live there. We'll be back for sure. Love from Canada. Very relaxing after day of sightseeing. Quiet rooms. The hallway smelled a bit funky. It's because they have public bathrooms in the hallway. The staff were very nice and the room was clean and comfortable.